Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 is emitting an odd smell and has lost suction, you're not alone. This often occurs when dirt, hair, and debris clog the filters or the internal components. If left unattended, these issues can lead to further damage and potentially costly repairs. To begin this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a replacement filter, a soft brush, and a cloth. First, ensure the vacuum is unplugged to avoid any accidents. To open the Dyson V10 safely, locate the release button and press it to detach the main body from the bin. Once separated, you will have access to the filter compartment. Remove the filter by twisting it counterclockwise, and inspect it for any blockages. If the filter appears dirty, you can clean it with warm water, but if it's worn out, it's best to replace it with a new one. Take care when removing the filter, as excessive force can damage the surrounding components. Next, check the main housing for any debris that may be affecting performance. Use your soft brush to gently remove any dust or hair from the motor and surrounding areas. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is clean and the new filter is in place, reattach the main body by aligning it and pressing firmly until it clicks back into place. Finally, plug the vacuum back in and test it to ensure it's functioning properly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to clean the filter regularly and check for blockages after every few uses. Avoid vacuuming large debris or liquids that can cause clogs. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.